All right, guys, we are doing an audio test of the stock unit. Now, this is off a 2016 versus Tom had a 2018, but it's the same head unit, so we shouldn't have any issues with there. Well, they're both stock. We're going to do the same music off of Bluetooth. Let's close all the doors, though. We'll have the windows down. That way, we can recreate this test. All right, so we're back into the Android head unit. It's same speakers and everything. Let's play and let's go. Pretty good too. They sound pretty much. They sound really similar. I think I
feel more bass here.
More bass on here. Can you check the EQ settings too? Did you change your EQ settings on the Subaru?
Negative.
Is it flat?
Mine's stock.
Oh, yours stock. So this is stock too. But you can change the EQ. Go to press the home button, and then go to amplify right there, and change it to have the loudness on, and then just change it to like rock for custom. You see those arrows? Okay, let's try something like that. It's a different EQs, less mids, more highs, and we'll just do it one more time with a different EQ. But I think it's flat EQ, it sounded pretty much the same with a little bit more bass, like a smidge. I felt in my heart a little bit more when the bass started hitting it. I'm like, okay, because that's what I was looking for primarily on the stock system, and it was there, but it was kind of like, oh, that was gonna hit me a little harder. This hit me at like 10%, like marginally a little bit better, but it does sound better. It does not sound worse than stock, contrary to belief. It is better, if the same, if not better. Would you guys agree?
Yeah.
Yep. All right. Turn up the volume.
Sounds a lot better.
That's good. That was a huge difference. I think the loudness put more power into the speakers, and then just the different EQ settings, different hell. That's a good thing with the Android head units. You have a lot more customizability. But yeah, other than that, you guys think that sounds a little bit better?
Yeah,
a bit better. That's actually like noticeably better than the stock unit. But there you go. Android head unit sounds noticeably better than the stock one, which is a good thing to me. Other than that, peace.